Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how I trim my eyebrows at home while we are all in quarantine. So if you're interested in this video, do keep on watching. So the first thing I normally do is to dust off my eyebrows with a powder. This is a random powder, and the thing I do is to use my dry mascara wand. I'm emphasizing on dry, don't just go and use your mascara wand. This razor blade, I highly recommend this Tiger brand razor blade because it's very sharp. The edges are so perfect to work with, and I actually recommend this because the edges cannot get to where you want it to get to. So after unboxing the razor and I normally go in with trim my brows. The first thing I love to note is where I want the arc of my brows to start, and I love to start with the bottom part of my eyebrows before I head into the upper part of my brows. So yeah, I'll just be noticing where I want the arc of my brows to start, and that is where I'll start trimming. I love to trim from the middle. That's where the arc of my brows starts. Then I love to trim from the middle, then towards the outer part of the brows. Then I love to trim from the outer part of my brows towards the inner part of my brows. I'll be showing you guys the technique I use actually. So yeah, that is what I'm doing for this video. So I hope you actually enjoy this video, put it into practice. If you like your eyebrows are bushy, or you feel like your eyebrows are too hairy at this point, just go ahead and use this technique and you'll be fine. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also leave a comment if you enjoyed this video.